Hello guys, this is straight out of China, and today we'll do something a little bit different. So, what I have here is Samsung Galaxy Note N7000. So, it was used for about 2 years, then it was stalling for a year. And when we wanted to turn it back on, it just didn't turn on. We had two batteries, we changed the batteries, we plugged it in a charger, nothing worked. So we will check this out. And today I will show you how to repair this. Let's check out first what we need for this repair. So we need a spare USB cable and we need to cut it, and then so we get a negative and positive wire, so that is very important. And for charging port repair we need a spare charging port. So in this phone, charging port replacement is very easy because you just replace this part. So you will also need a power brick to charge your phone, and you will also need a small screwdriver to replace a charging port. This is just a dead battery, so we have a battery that is completely dead. It doesn't charge, it doesn't do everything. And what we'll do, we'll plug this cut down USB cable in our power brick, and then we'll align positive and negative wire to positive and negative on your battery, and then we'll let it sit for a second or two, and think of it like jump starting a car battery, but it's jump starting a phone battery. So we have a plus and minus, so negative wire is always black and positive wire is red. So we have positive on this side here and negative on this side. So let's just connect it. Be careful to not short the phone charger, so you shouldn't connect these wires together. So like this, and bam, this battery should work now. It's so easy.